Hi guys, how to delete YouTube channel. Permanently. Now go to YouTube, click your profile icon in the top right corner, and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is easy, but here's a warning. One wrong click and you could lose everything, so follow every step carefully. On the Settings page, look for the Your Channel section and click View, Advanced Settings. Keep watching because the next step is where most people accidentally cancel the process. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the Advanced Settings page and click the Delete Channel link. Don't worry, YouTube will ask you to confirm before anything is actually deleted. Sign into your Google account if prompted, then select I want to permanently delete my content and check all the agreement boxes. This step is very important because skipping a single box stops the entire process. Type your channel name exactly as shown to confirm, then click the Delete My Content button to permanently remove the channel. Hit subscribe for more YouTube tips. And next week, I'll show you how to recover a deleted channel within 30 days before it's gone forever.